Hello Nieuwoudt and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am pretty excited because we are doing a swatch video and I cannot wait to show you what we are doing. The highlighters are called the Euro highlighters. They come in 4 shades, so there's pretty much going to be a shade that you're going to love. Doesn't matter what undertone or skin tone you have. And the packaging is like hard plastic, and the top lid is shaped like a diamond or a gem, which is pretty cool because if you open them in the sunlight, it throws like some kind of rainbow out, so they make for really pretty pictures. The compact itself has a lid. Then you get your pan with your product, and it also lifts up, so there's a little compartment at the bottom with a mirror. Looks like this. First shade is Jane to Jupiter. Jane to Jupiter. Yes, it is this lavender purpley shade. I'm wearing it in my inner corners as a highlight at the moment. I'm going to swatch it for you. I'm going to try and swatch all of them next to each other. Next shade is Emilia Goes Airborne. So this is the slightly more golder shade, and it's not the darker one but the lighter one. I'm wearing this on my eyelids at the moment. As you can see, highlighters do make a nice shimmer for eyeshadows, so let's just swatch this one, and I'm going to swatch it next to the first one. Oh Jenna, it's so creamy. Third shade is called Curry versus Chemistry. This shade I'm currently wearing on the tip of my nose and on my cheekbones and then on my brow bone. It's literally why I'm glowing like a little glazed donut and I look like Rudolph. But that's how I prefer my makeup, so looks smart. Let's swatch this one. This is the one with slightly more pink undertone. Yes. This is the one I prefer with my skin tone. It just blends a lot more. Last but not least, Last but not least, it's called Maya by Moonlight. This is the darkest highlighter in the group of the 4. So even for my more chocolatey queens, there's a highlighter for you. And I'm also wearing this on the outside of my eyes to give it a bit more depth. So I am definitely all glowed up. Let's swatch this one. As you can see, the last shade is a lot warmer. So here I have the honor of presenting to you the entire Maria Cosmetics range, which includes 6 lipsticks and 4 highlighters. This is a pretty impressive collection for a company that only started recently. Maria Cosmetics was founded by Andrea. She has become a very close friend of mine over the past couple of months. Her story really inspires me, and I absolutely will not be able to do her story justice. So I'm going to either leave a link or play her video telling the story about how Maria Cosmetics started at the end of this video. Her range first started off with only 6 lipsticks, where after she launched 4 highlighters called the Euro highlighters. I had the absolute honor of being part of the campaign that was shot for Maria Cosmetics' Euro highlighters. There's absolutely nothing more I can say about this range because it's beautiful. The story behind it is inspiring, and it just motivates, inspired women to be the very best of themselves, to claim back what they've lost, and just to embrace who they are, even if it's by just applying a bright lipstick or a highlighter on a day where you feel completely defeated and like there is nothing left for you. I really want to honor Andrea and her business because it really has a special place in my heart. So I want to thank you, Andrea, for letting me swatch all your products. This is really an honor to me, and thank you for letting me be a part of your brand. I will forever be thankful and grateful, and I really can't wait to see where this company is going to be in the next 4 years, because it's really a selfless movement, and yeah, it's more than cosmetics, it's actually a movement. But I can't wait for you to actually watch her video so that she herself can explain to you where Maria Cosmetics came from. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. Please remember to visit the links. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and let me know which is your favorite lipstick or highlighter shade. If you have not subscribed yet, please remember to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And then I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed day. Remember, you're pretty awesome, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Jy wil net 'n bietjie liefde. Kyk hoe groen oogie. Sy katjie, mamma.